When you picture an elegant outfit, what comes to mind? Maybe a flowing midi dress, a silky blouse, or a classic beige trench coat, right? But what if I told you your favorite pair of jeans could be just as timeless and even more powerful in building an elegant wardrobe? Yes, I'm serious. Hey there, beautiful souls, and welcome back to the channel. Today, we're debunking one of the biggest fashion myths out there, that jeans can't be elegant. Because with the right fit, thoughtful layering, and a touch of your own personality, denim can be one of the most versatile, polished, and truly chic pieces in your closet. In this video, I'll walk you through how to style jeans in a way that feels sophisticated, feminine, and totally effortless, no matter your age, size, or budget. And by the end, you'll have everything you need to turn any basic pair of jeans into a complete elegant moment. Ready? Let's jump in. Hourglass shape. You have defined curves, a smaller waist, and balanced hips and bust. Highlight that beautiful silhouette with high-waisted straight leg or tapered jeans. Look for jeans that have a bit of stretch for comfort, but retain structure to keep your lines clean. Stay away from low-rise jeans. They disrupt your natural balance and can make outfits feel dated. Pear shape. You carry more volume in your hips and thighs with a narrower upper body. Your best bet? High-waisted wide leg or boot-cut jeans. These styles balance your shape and elongate your legs. Dark denim washes are your best friend here. They slim the lower body and keep things sleek. Apple shape. If you have a fuller midsection with slimmer legs, go for mid or high-rise jeans that offer support and smoothing. Structured straight leg or boot-cut jeans help create the illusion of balance and definition without clinging too tightly. Inverted triangle. Broader shoulders and a smaller lower half. Your goal is to add softness and volume to your bottom half. Opt for light wash flared jeans or wide leg denim. This draws the eye downward and gives you a beautifully balanced silhouette. All right, beautiful souls, now that we've found your perfect jeans fit, let's talk about what truly takes an outfit from casual to classy. Outerwear. The right coat or jacket doesn't just keep you warm, it's your personal power piece. You know that feeling when you throw on a long coat and instantly feel like a Parisian icon walking down a cobblestone street? Yep, that's the power of a well-chosen outer layer. Let's break down a few effortless outerwear styles that will pair beautifully with jeans and give your look an elegant edge, without ever feeling too formal or too fussy. The tailored blazer. This is a must. Whether you're running errands or heading to a brunch, throwing a well-fitted blazer over your jeans instantly creates a structured, put-together feel. Best colors: camel, navy, cream, or soft gray. These timeless tones go with every denim wash. The classic trench coat. When in doubt, trench it out. Nothing, and I mean nothing, adds subtle drama and timeless grace like a trench, especially in the spring or early fall. Ideal features: belted waist, flowy fabric, mid-length, best colors, beige, dusty olive, stone, or soft blush. Pair it with a striped top or white tee, ankle jeans, and minimalist sneakers for the ultimate "I didn't try, but I look fabulous" vibe. The cropped jacket or boucle blazer. Especially flattering for petite frames or those who love a French girl aesthetic, cropped jackets keep your silhouette balanced. Choose styles with texture, like boucle or tweed, subtle shoulder structure, and elegant buttons. These look amazing layered over simple tanks or fitted knits. Keep your bottom half structured. Think slim jeans or cigarette denim. What's your favorite outerwear piece that makes you feel instantly elegant? Is it a trench, a wool coat? Let me know in the comments. I love hearing what makes you feel beautiful. Here we come to the most magical piece that will take your style game to the next level. Tops. Classic white shirt, the shining star of timelessness. The white shirt is like the trusted friend of the fashion world. Always by your side, always maintained, and never lets you down. White shirt plus jeans, a simple but effective formula of elegance. Open a few buttons on the collar of your shirt, roll up the cuffs, add a little je ne sais quoi. Classic, but with a good vibe. Romantic blouses. Embrace femininity. Ruffles, lace, thin satins. These are not just a piece, they are almost the visible form of emotion. The way to say, I am elegant but never boring. If there are too many details on top, keep the bottom simple. Balance is as important in fashion as in life. Powder. Pink satin blouse. Skinny. Dark blue jeans, heeled, beige sandals, pearl earrings, tiny clutch bag. If there are tiny ruffled details on the blouse, this will not dim your light. On the contrary, it will make that elegant woman inside you speak. Basic t-shirt blazer, cool and chic. Harmony, are you a minimalist? Then this combination is just the right size. You start with a white t-shirt, but when you add a blazer, you will make the day say, this woman still exists. Roll up the sleeves of the t-shirt a couple of times. Add movement to your waist with a thin belt. Lightweight knitwear not only provides comfort, but also adds a touch of dimension. When you wear jeans with knitwear, an effortless but striking elegance cannot be missed. A soft knitwear that gives the appearance of cashmere when combined with a simple jean creates an old money air. Knitwear or blazer, which do you use more? I'm waiting for your comments. Vests and sleeveless tops. When it comes to vests, don't let formality be the first thing that comes to mind. You can achieve a modern and elegant touch with the right fabric and the right jeans. A real savior, especially in the summer months. Waist-hugging linen vest, light blue, straight, cut jeans, cream sandals, gold watch, tiny handbag. When combined with a sleeveless piece, a thin chain necklace, and a neat bun, it shapes your elegance. When combined with a sleeveless piece, a thin chain necklace, and a neat bun, it shapes your elegance. All right, my elegant friends, let's talk shoes. Because let's be honest, the wrong pair of shoes can instantly unravel all your hard styling work. You know what screams I'm effortlessly stylish without trying too hard? Loafers. Especially leather or suede ones in black, brown, or rich taupe tones. They say, I have coffee at 10 and an art gallery stroll at 11. Pair them with ankle jeans and a crisp white shirt, and you're giving quiet luxury without even opening your mouth. The sharp stunner, pointed toe heels. A pointed heel is like the red lipstick of footwear. Clean, bold, feminine, whether it's a kitten heel or a 3-inch pump, this shape elongates your legs and instantly adds edge to denim. Try nude pointed heels with light wash jeans, or go full boss mode with black stilettos and a structured blazer. Add a top bun and red lip if you dare. The Parisian favorite, ballet flat. Cue the French jazz, because ballet flats are back and more refined than ever. Opt for square toe or almond-shaped styles, ideally in suede or soft leather. Pastel tones? Gorgeous. Black with a bow? Classic. Pair with cuffed mom jeans, a striped boat neck top, and a messy bun for that I just left Montmartre vibe. Are you team flats or team heels when dressing up denim? Let's talk comfort without compromise. Because yes, you can absolutely look elegant in sneakers, as long as they're minimal. Stick to low-profile designs in white, beige, or soft gray. No bulky soles, no neon laces, no chaos. Try them with slim jeans, a structured coat, and a cashmere sweater. And make sure they're clean, always. A scuffed-up shoe is like smudged eyeliner, instantly noticeable. Let me know down in the comments, which of these shoe styles do you already wear, and which are you now itching to try? And hey, if you've been loving these elegant style tips so far, don't forget to tap that like button and subscribe. We've got plenty more timeless elegance coming your way, all while staying beautifully you. Stay polished, stay radiant, and see you in the next part.